Hey, what is up guys, and I welcome you to the Gear Kit channel. Have you ever wondered why caviar is so highly priced and sought after? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of caviar, the exquisite delicacy derived from the roe of female sturgeon. Prepare to embark on a captivating journey as we uncover the secrets behind this luxurious food. Some years ago, the Caspian Sea was full of sturgeon fish, an ancient species that thrived in the cold waters. However, unregulated fishing led to over-exploitation and pushed these magnificent creatures to the brink of extinction. The scarcity of sturgeon resulted in skyrocketing prices, transforming caviar into a privilege enjoyed only by the fortunate few. Fast forward to the present day, and the majority of caviar consumed and traded worldwide is sourced from carefully managed water farms. These farms provide a controlled environment for sturgeon breeding, ensuring the species' survival. The gestation period for sturgeons is a remarkable 15 to 20 years, which further highlights the challenges faced in cultivating these prized eggs. The slow maturation process, particularly for the highly esteemed beluga caviar with its larger eggs, contributes to its extravagant price. Renowned for its creamy texture and delicate flavor, beluga caviar is often considered the pinnacle of luxury and indulgence. Nevertheless, it's important to know that caviar is not everyone's favorite. Some find the flavor too salty, while others even may find it off-putting. The beauty of the culinary world lies in its diversity, with personal preferences and palates adding to the fascinating tapestry of flavors. Now, let's explore the meticulous process of producing caviar within controlled environments. Sturgeons are diligently monitored from the moment they hatch until the time their roe is extracted. Raised in environments that mimic their natural habitat while eliminating threats, the sturgeons thrive on optimal nutrition, pristine water quality, and carefully controlled temperatures throughout the year. Experts employ ultrasound technology to determine the ideal time for extracting the sturgeon's roe, ensuring the highest quality caviar. Typically, each sturgeon yields between 10 and 12% of its weight in roe. Caviar is renowned for its rich protein content, making it an excellent choice for muscle development. In the southern United States, a factory has been producing caviar for over 50 years. The region's favorable climate allows for the successful cultivation of sturgeon, compensating for the declining wild sturgeon populations caused by overfishing. Within the Siberian kennel, sturgeons are bred to obtain both eggs and meat. The young sturgeon fry are nourished with high-protein pills to promote their growth. As the fish mature, a computerized system dispenses food at precise intervals, ensuring their nutritional needs are met. To maintain a healthy environment for the sturgeons, a meticulously regulated process is implemented. Bacteria are induced to filter out toxic metabolites produced by the fish, and the water quality is regularly monitored. After approximately 5 years of growth, the sturgeons measure at least 1 meter in length and should be filled with roe. At this stage, the workers carefully transfer them to bathtubs, where a sedative gas is introduced to calm the fish, making them easier to handle. Once sedated, the sturgeons undergo a thorough examination using ultrasound technology to assess the ovaries of the females. This process provides a clear picture of the roe production. If the ovaries contain tens of thousands of eggs that are not fully matured, the sturgeon is returned to the tank to allow the roe to reach its full potential. However, if the eggs are ready, the ovaries are harvested with great precision. The workers engage in their meticulous cleaning process, ensuring that the ovaries are free from any impurities. With delicate expertise, they separate the roe from the surrounding membrane using a finely woven metal mesh, revealing the thousands of fragile sturgeon eggs. But the caviar isn't quite ready yet. It undergoes another round of cleansing with cold water to eliminate any remaining impurities. Using forceps, any pieces of membrane or broken roe are meticulously removed until only pure, intact roe remains. The roe is then poured into a fine strainer, allowing the water to drain and reducing the volume. Any excess moisture is gently blotted away with a delicate touch, taking utmost care not to damage the precious caviar pearls. Finally, the roe is delicately placed in a tin and lightly pressed to eliminate any air pockets that could potentially affect its quality. The tin is then sealed tightly with a thick rubber band, and the caviar is now ready to be distributed to supermarkets and fine establishments around the world. So, the next time you savor a spoonful of caviar, take a moment to appreciate the intricate journey it undertook. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.